Hey guys, welcome to Epic Coding for Everyone channel. What will you learn from this video? Alerts. Let's start coding. Let's create a div and start our first alert. Div alert. And let's add another class name, alert primary. Let's add a sample text, lorem 5. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, it is our first alert. Let me copy and paste 7 more times. Let's change our class name guys. Secondary, success, danger, warning, info, light, and dark. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, all alert options. We use that names as we used in our previous tutorial for assigning a color. If we want, we can assign a link in the text. For example, let's assign a link one of our div. I just need to create a tag. Let me cut that one and add here. And let's add a class name too for a tag, alert link. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, you can add a link in your alert box like that. Let's create another alert design. Let me put a HR. I need to create a div first. Let's make that one alert success. And let's put a h4 tag. Well done. And let's add a class name for h4 tag, alert heading. Let's add a paragraph tag, lorem 10. Let me make it wider for you guys. And put another HR. And let's add another p tag. Let's say lorem 5. And let's add a class for p tag, margin bottom 0. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, you can create great alert box like that. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching it. See you in the next video.